Today we'll see the next topic, that is geometric mean. Geometric mean of two positive numbers, that is also called as GM. Okay, so let us suppose there are two positive numbers A and B. Okay, so the geometric mean just denoted as G. So if these A, B, G and B are in GP, then the ratio of G, I mean the A2 upon A1, that should be equal to the ratio, na? So that will be equal to G upon A. Okay, and A3 upon A2, that is equal to B upon G. And as we all know that the ratio will be same. Okay, it means G upon A must be equal to B upon G. So when we'll solve this, we'll get G square will be equal to AB. It means G will be equal to square root of A and B. Okay? It means what? Whenever we have two numbers A and B given, okay? So in between we are keeping a number. Matlab, if G is the geometric mean of A and B, then G will be equal to AB square root of AB. Okay. Now, if we have AB, two numbers हमारे पास हैं, but there are some numbers we and inserted some numbers. So like G1 से लेकर n numbers we inserted between A and B such that A से लेकर B तक all are in GP. Then how we can find out the value of this G1 से लेकर Gn तक? Okay, इसका value हम कैसे find out करेंगे? तो first of all, see, this B will be equal to, this is the last term. How many terms are there? These are n and ye 1 and ye 1. So total there will be n plus 2 terms. Number of terms will be n plus 2. And as we know that B will be the last term, I mean nth term, या फिर last term will be equal to AR, and the total number of term is n plus 2 minus 1. This will be equal to AR n plus AR to the power n plus 1. Okay. Now, based on this one, we can find out the value of R. How? Then R to the power n plus 1 will be equal to B upon A. Then R will be equal to B upon A का power 1 upon n plus 1. ठीक है, so this will be the value of R, and based on this value we can find out the value of G1. G1 is the second term, it means AR. Okay, G2 will be AR square, G3 AR cube. Okay, so Gn ARn, and A का value is there and R का value will be B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1. A into B upon A square है ना, तो 2 upon n plus 1. A into B upon A to the power 3 upon n plus 1. Similarly, A into B upon A to the power n upon n plus 1. ठीक है. So we can find out the value of G1, जो भी values we are inserting between A and B, two terms we have taken, and those are the first and the last term, and in between those terms we have inserted some number of n number of terms. तो total number will be n plus 2. The series जो है GP वो n plus 2 terms का होगा. Now we can find out all the inserted values G1 से लेकर Gn तक we can find out. Okay. Now based on this one we can see some examples. If there are numbers given 1 है और 256, these are the two numbers, and in between these numbers 3 numbers inserted. So G1, G2 and G3. ठीक है, 3 numbers inserted. So you know the formula, R will be equal to B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1. ठीक है. here a का value is 1, b का value is 256. Okay, now we can find out the value of r. R will be equal to 256 upon 1. Okay, so that will be 256 and to the power 1 upon n plus 1. So how many n का मतलब is 3. 3 is there. 3 numbers inserted. 3 plus 1 will be 4. So I mean when we are finding out the value 256 to the power 1 upon 4, we'll get 4. Why? Because 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4 will be 64 and 64 into 4 will be 256. So R का value what we are getting? R का value will be 4. ठीक है? So we got the value. Now G1, G2, G3 we can find out. G1, G2 and G3. This will be AR square and AR cube. A का value is 1 and R का value we know 4. That is 4. Now B का AR square, A का value is 1, R square will be 4 का square, that will be 16. Now 1 into 4 का cube, that will be 64. ठीक है? So the series are, the GP क्या है? 1, 4, 16, 64 and 256. ठीक है? So these are the numbers. Now one more thing, when we are finding out R का R is equal to 256 to the power 1 upon 4, तो basically what we are doing, ये square root of 256 का निकालते हैं. So square root of this one, what we'll get? We'll get plus minus square root of, but we'll take, यहाँ पे हम positive values ही लेंगे, so it will be 16. Okay, now again square root of 16 will be plus minus 4. So हमने here we have taken 4 plus value. Now if we take R का value minus 4, that time also G1, G2 and G3 we can find out. G1 will be 1 into minus 4, G2 will be 1 into minus 4 का square and G3 will be 1 into minus 4 का cube. So this will be minus 4, this will be 16 and this will be minus 64. Okay, so the series can be 1, minus 4, 16, minus 64 and 256. Okay, this can be the series. तो या तो series ऐसा भी हो सकता है और ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Now we'll see the relationship between AM and GM, arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So AM is denoted by A, GM is denoted by G. AM is equal to A plus B divided by 2, GM is equal to square root of AB. Okay, where such that A capital A and B are in AP. ठीक है? Then A का value ये होगा and G का value ये कब होगा? When A capital G and B are in GP. ठीक है? Now what we have to do? Now we have to see the relationship. So A minus G का value क्या होगा? It will be A plus B upon 2 minus square root of AB. Okay? And we can say that A plus B minus 2 square root of AB, that will be equal to, divided by 2. Okay? So can we write A minus G is equal to, this is square root of A का square, can we write like this, A को, and B को can we write square root of B का whole square, and this is what, 2 into square root of A square root of B divided by 2. So A x square plus y square minus 2xy क्या होता है? X minus y का x minus y whole square का formula. So we can write A square minus square root of A minus square root of B का whole square divided by 2. Okay, it means A minus G is equal to square root of A minus square root of B का whole square divided by 2, and this value, this is a whole square divided by 2, मतलब this value should be always greater than equal to 0. It can't be lesser than 0 because this is square, एक square है ये, तो it can't be negative. Okay, real numbers we are taking, so it can't be negative. It means if this is always greater than or equal to 0, it means A should be always greater, A will be always greater than or equal to G. Okay, so this is the relationship A and G, arithmetic mean and geometric mean में always arithmetic mean will be greater than or equal to the geometric mean. ठीक है, so based on this one we'll do one sum. So if AM is given, AM or A we'll write the arithmetic mean as A. So A is 10 and G is 8 of such that A and B are the numbers, such that A and B are in AP and A, G and B are in GP. Okay. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the value A and B का value. We have to find out A का value क्या होगा and B का value क्या होगा. Okay. So first of all, A is equal to, as we know that A will be equal to A plus B upon 2. It means 10 will be equal to A plus B upon 2. This it means A plus B will be equal to 20. Okay. And so score of A plus B will be equal to score of 20. So A plus B का score will be equal to A plus B का whole score will be equal to 400. Okay. Now this one will take G का value is this one. So G is equal to 8. It means G का value क्या होता है? Square root of AB, that is equal to 8. It means AB का product will be equal to square of 8, that is 64. ठीक है? It means when we'll multiply score, अगर हम इसका find out करेंगे, so what we'll get? We'll find out. Okay, just keep it as it is. We'll keep. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to find out A minus B का whole square. What will the value of A minus B का whole square? A minus B, A square plus B square minus 2AB. And अगर हम इसमें minus 2AB and plus 2AB लेते हैं, तो there will be no change. Now we'll take these values together. So it will be A plus B whole square and minus 4AB. ठीक है, तो if AB का square is AB is this one, then 4AB will be equal to 4 into 64, that will be 256. ठीक है, now we'll put the value of this one, equation 1, this is equation 2 हम ले लेते हैं. Now it means A minus B whole square will be A plus B का whole square, that is 400, and minus 4AB, that is equal to 256. So 400 minus 256 will be 144. ठीक है, so what we got? So A minus B का whole square is equal to 44 is 12 का whole square. तो plus minus 12 we can take, plus minus 12 का whole square. It means A minus B will be equal to plus minus 12. Okay, so first we will take this A minus B is equal to 12 and or A minus B is equal to minus 12. So दोनों condition में we'll put the values. When we'll put the values, what we will get? We will get A का value. Okay, one equation we'll take from here. कौन सा equation we'll take? A plus B is equal to 20. Okay, so A plus B is equal to 20. Now A plus B is equal to 20. We'll add this. So when we'll add this, we'll get, ये cancel हो जाएगा. We'll get 2A is equal to 32. Then A will be equal to 16. Okay. So if A is equal to 16, then B will be equal to 4. Okay. Now this case, here also we'll write A plus B, that is equal to 20. So when we'll add all, add करेंगे तो ये cancel होगा. 2A will be equal to 8. Okay, so A will be equal to 4. If A is equal to 4, then B will be equal to 16. Okay, so these are the two cases. या तो there will be two cases, या तो A and B are 16 and 4, or A and B are 4 and 16. Okay, respectively. So these can be the values. I hope you understood the sums. I hope you understood the concepts. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.